Hello folks, and welcome to another video. So guys, you join us on a day trip to Avebury. So guys, here we are on the road heading towards Avebury, and today I'm a passenger because Karen's taken up the driving duties and the swearing duties. I think, guys, a lot of swearing been going on as we went through our town centre. It seems that everybody on the road's an idiot. Anyway guys, so here we are, Avebury. We've just come through a little village called Rawton, so we're on the sort of more on the open road now, and I'm trying to hold the camcorder steady, but Karen thinks she's on the Lombard Rally, so it's going to be a bit wobbly. Anyway guys, so Avebury, so it's a day trip and a bit of a photo trip. So as I said guys, day trip. So today is the 1st of August, and it's part of our holiday. So as I said, 1st of August, but I don't know when you're going to get to see this video, because I've got a rather much of a backlog of videos to upload, but so you might not get to see this till October. So Avebury, day trip, photographic trip, etc, etc. So I'm going to be using my Nikon D300 today, along with the so I got, what have I brought? The 16 to 80 lens. That's sort of the new to me lens. I'm going to give that a bit more of a test. And I brought my 70 to 300. Probably won't need it, but it's in the bag anyway. So Avebury, well, we've got the stones at Avebury. We've also got the Avebury Manor and Gardens, and as Avebury's National Trust, we can enter that using our membership. So there you go, we're on the road. I shall give you a spin round now to see this lovely countryside. So here we go guys, have a look at our well, this lovely countryside. So, and we're getting to a 70-mile-an-hour speed limit, so Karen's going to put her foot down. Anyway guys, I'm going to spin you around. So guys, here we are. This is the lovely Wiltshire countryside. Mind, I can't see much of it, it's just a blur. How fast are we going? Heck, I didn't know this car went that fast. So there we go guys. Look at that face of concentration. I was a bit scared actually. So guys, there we are. I can't see much because of the sort of hedges, but you know what, look at that there. There's bird poo on your window. See that, bird poo. I've got a reputation to keep you now. We'll have to wash the car when we get back now. Anyway guys, enough of this waffle. I'll bring it. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this pirate. I mean, we're doing like 70 already, but I may go on sailing past. But anyway guys, I will bring you back when we're closer to Avebury. So guys, here we are. We're in the village of Avebury. So we're going to see some stones, I think. Just a minute or two. Here we are guys. So there's some of the stones at Avebury. And there's also some on our left hand side, but you won't see them. So guys, this is the village of Avebury. So this pub here, which is called the Red Lion. Is it the Red Lion? Yeah, it's supposed to be one of the most haunted pubs in the UK. So we might have to go and have a beer in there, but there's some more of the stones guys over there. I don't know why it's going to pick up because there's a wide angle lens on the GoPro. We've got to try and find the National Trust car park, which is following the signs round. So, and there's more stones around here. No, is this the visitor centre? Nope, that's the Avebury Sports Hub. So the other famous landmark round here is somewhere called Silbury Hill. There we go, there's the National Trust car park. So anybody sort of interested knowing where we are, apart from Avebury, we are by Silbury Hill. So we're just entering into the National Trust car park guys. So just quite busy. So here we are, guys. We've arrived at Avebury. Oh, bloody heck! Karen got it. She went into no. Oh, went in no entry. What are you doing?
That was no entry.
No entry. Oh no, is it? Anyway, guys, National Trust car park. So, guys, here we are. We're on the footpath from the National Trust car park to the Stones. So. I don't think you want to be looking at my ugly mug, so I'm going to spin you around so you can enjoy Avebury and the Stones and the village and everything else. I'm not going to do a lot of videoing and waffling. It's still a bit of a photography trip, but I will show you the Stones. Anyway, guys, I think we're about to arrive at some Stones, so or the village at least. Anyway, so here we are, guys. We're coming into the village of Avebury. So, guys, we're about to enter the manor house. I don't know how much photography or video we'll be able to do, but we're about to enter Avebury Manor. It is on a timed entrance, so for those people that are considering coming here, just bear that in mind. It's on a timed entrance, guys. So, Avebury Manor, here we come. So, guys, that was our little walk around the Avebury Manor. I did try and do some videoing in there, but it was absolutely heaving, so I gave up on that, guys. So we are now, what's this? This is the kitchen garden, so we're gonna have a walk around the kitchen garden. So really it's just
it might be worth noting that unlike any homes we've been into, you could actually you could lie on the bed if you wanted to.
Yeah, we didn't know, but yeah, no, you could lie on the bed, you can take photographs without flash. It's amazing. Quite interactive. So we're just going to walk around the kitchen gardens. As I said, guys, again, you don't want to be looking at my ugly mug, so I'll do a little bit of videoing and some photography. So here we are, kitchen gardens, guys. So, guys, just a little quick video of the kitchen gardens. Can't say I'm overly inspired for photography in this part of the grounds, I have to say, but this is the kitchen gardens, guys. Yeah, you can actually buy produce from the garden and just leave a donation. There's a little honesty box on the side there, but this is basically just the kitchen gardens, guys. So I'll give you a quick view, and then we've got to go round in some way, find our way back to the main gardens. But there you go, guys, kitchen gardens. So, guys, we've entered, I suppose, the main garden. So it's going to be a bit of photography, and I've only taken about half a dozen pictures, guys. So I think the GoPro's got to go away, and I've got to take some photos because that's what I've come out here for, guys. So I'll go do a bit of photography and have a walk around the gardens. So if I see anything that's worth a video or worth a look, I'll bring you back, guys. But I think we'll definitely be back, won't we?
That's beautiful.
Maybe come back and leave the...
Too far from it,
no, half an hour drive from home. This is 40-minute drive. So we could have got out, look. Oh well, never mind. Anyway, guys, enough of this. I'm going to... Oop, I tripped over them. I'm going to do some photography because that's what I come for. So, guys, we've sort of turned up at the garden. It's the church. We've been here a fair while, guys, and we've only really just done the house. We've got to do the village and everything. Yeah.
Have you got a lot at home?
So, guys, here we are. We've done the gardens and the house. So we're just doing the little church. And I don't know how the video is going to come out because I've just dropped my GoPro. So hopefully it's still working. That'll be a testament to how good the GoPros are. But luckily I had a screen protector on, so it's marked that, but I don't think it's damaged the screen at all. But hey-ho, be an excuse to buy another one, I suppose. But I'm going to take a few photos of the church, and we're sort of not far from sort of visit actually the manor, so we're going to walk around the village in a minute. What's that? That's
got the museum, yeah.
The museum. So it's what's that? It is 12 now, guys. So we've been here a couple of hours. Well, you said we was here 4 hours.
We left at 10. No, I said we left at 10.
Yeah, well, it's only 12 o'clock. Did you think that was 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
The big hand and the little hand. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to take a few more pictures. Does seem that the GoPro is still working, but can I have a new GoPro? It's a new one out this year, guys, isn't it? September. So anyway, guys. Yeah, no, knocked out of your pocket. But anyway, I know there's a mark on the lens, but if it's cracked, well, it's in the bin. Anyway, guys, more photography. So, guys, here we are. This is the Avebury Stone Circle, or at least part of it. So, if they could tell a story, I wonder what they'd be able to tell us. Just a few little quick video, and then I'm going to do some photography. And this is part of the circle, and it goes on over there, guys. So guys, that's the first part of the stone ring done at Avebury. So you can probably hear just the other side of that edge is a very busy main road, and we've got to cross that at some point and can continue our adventure around the stone circles. I think there's some behind that hedge, and that in front of us is the Red Lion at Avebury, as I said, guys, reputed to be one of the most haunted pubs in the UK.
Most haunted, didn't they, Dana?
Oh yeah, if you all remember the series with Most Haunted a few years ago with the Yvette Fielding and all that lot. I think they stayed there. It's supposed to be a haunted pub.
The cameraman was scratched.
We might venture in there and have lunch. But not sure, guys. We're just sort of having a wander around. I'm still hoping the GoPro's working because of my little accident of dropping it. I think I've only cracked the screen protector. If not, well, it could show up on the image, I don't know. Anyway, we've got to cross the road here and sort of head over there, guys. So
sheep.
well, we've got sheep in the field as well. You're going to be a sheep warrior, right? So we've got to cross this field here. And just follow it round, guys. So we'll stop recording while we venture across the road. So we are, guys. We've managed to get across the road. Oh, it's a bit underexposed there on the GoPro. But we're just going to walk around this.
I'm going to try and pet a sheep.
Karen's going to try and pet a sheep. Now I have to say, historically, Avebury is absolutely brilliant, but not necessarily very photogenic. Or certainly photogenic for me. I think it would be better further away and perhaps up high with a drone, but so I'm not expecting miracles with this little photo trip. I have been here before many years ago, photographing when we were in the days of film. I can remember then thinking I didn't really feel it then for photography, but
You did some black and white stills, if I remember right.
yeah, I did black and white. I might convert some of these to black and white actually, but it's one of those things. It's perhaps I'm just boring, don't agree with me on that, but I think it's better the further away you are. That's what I would say. But anyway guys, we're just going to enjoy this beautiful weather. So guys, that concludes our little walk around the stones at Avebury. So we're going to head up towards the haunted pub for a haunted meal and have a little sit down and chill out for a bit and a drink. Oh, I can have a drink because you're driving. That's a result, isn't it? Wonder what lovely ales they got here, eh? Apparently I'm allowed to have a pint. Anyway guys, we're going to go and grab something to eat and we'll have a chat a bit later on guys. So until then, catch you later. So folks, that concludes our visit to Avebury and the Stone Circle at Avebury. So done a really good day, haven't we? Yeah?
It's been really lovely.
Yeah, really, really good day.
Considering like it's not far from us.
No, it's not far from home, and the weather held out. There is forecast for heavy rain, thunderstorms, etc. moving into this area later on this afternoon and this evening. So there you go, that concludes Avebury. We had a really good meal at the Red Lion at Avebury. Not sure if I mentioned that, but we had a good meal. Took a fair few photographs guys, but I'm not sure how well they're going to turn out, or sort of well, I found it quite difficult to get some photographs, or get decent photographs, and I convert them over to black and white. But anyway, that's it, that's our visit to Avebury. Really good day. Dropped the GoPro, but it's still working, so hopefully everything's as it should be. Anyway guys, I'm going to bid you a fond farewell, and we will catch you on the next one. So until then, I hope you've enjoyed our little visit to Avebury, and we'll see you all again soon. So until then, bye bye for now.